Thank you for purchasing Vandanndoom's Quick Survival Band. The following videos on the reassembly of cordage to its former glory. Vandanndoom's Quick Survival Band. This process will take as little as 15 minutes and has 10 steps. First, get the male buckle and wrap the back end 5 times. Second, make the first, third, and fifth loop bigger than the second and fourth. Third, leave the 3 inches of cord above the loops. Fourth, take the long end of the cord and loop it and push the loop through the first, third, and fifth loops on the buckle. Fifth, twist the loop that you pulled through the others to the inside, sticking your finger through it after this is done. Sixth, pull the top cord of the loop that is around your finger after the first and third original loops, making 2 more loops. Twist them the same way and stick your finger through them, so now you have 3 loops around your finger. Seventh, make a loop with a long cord and pull it through. The 3 loops repeat 4th through 6th steps until you have about 10 inches of cord left. Eighth, pull the cord and the last 10 inches through the first loop. Then wrap it around the female buckle once. And back through the first loop, then wrap it around the buckle 2 more times. Then through the second loop, then back through the buckle another 2 times. Then through the third loop, then around the buckle 1 more time. Ninth, weave the 3 inches of cord on the male's end through the weave on the back side of the band. Following the same pattern, do the same to the female end. Tenth, you are done. You have a reassembled Vandanndoom quick survival band. Now you can wear it or put it in your 72-hour kit, your first aid kit, your bob bag, your bib bag, your food storage, your survival gear, your EDC bag, or school backpack. And remember, without it, you are not ready for life. With it, life is not ready for you.